Iron pipe cutting system. Hello and welcome to this project outline for developing a PLC controlled iron pipe cutting system. The diagram shows an iron pipe cutting system. Write a program that operates as follows. Pressing the start button activates M1, moving the pipe forward. When the pipe reaches 2 meters, S1 sensor is activated, which stops M1 and starts M2. After 5 seconds, activate P2 solenoid for 10 seconds to cut the pipe. Once 15 seconds pass, turn off M2 and P2. To clear the pipe, activate P1 for 10 seconds, pushing it aside. The process then restarts, with M1 turning on and waiting for S1 to turn on, continuing as long as the stop button is not pressed. Now let's go through the pre-written ladder relay control program for the project and see how it meets the project's requirements. The project is successfully tested on a virtual Allen Bradley PLC. Thank you for watching and see you in the course.